Hello, we are Team Polygon and this is our prototype for Polygon, a simple, affordable and eco-friendly solution designed to fight air pollution directly from surfaces around us.
Air pollution causes over 7 million premature deaths every year and reduces average life expectancy by nearly 3 years in many urban areas. In India, more than 14 of the world's 20 most polluted cities are here, making clean air not just an environmental issue but a public health emergency.
Air pollution is one of the biggest threats to public health and environment. Conventional solutions like air purifiers and filters are expensive, require electricity, and cannot scale to large outdoor areas. We wanted to create something different, a passive, low cost solution that works continuously without energy and blend seamlessly into our surroundings. Our approach is simple but powerful. Instead of fighting pollution with machines, we transform everyday materials into active air cleaning surfaces. Imagine a world where the ground you walk on, the walls of your school, or the side of a building constantly work to clean air, silently, passively, and sustainably.
This is our polygon prototype, a cement tile coated with a photocatalytic mixture of titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, acrylic matte medium, and isopropyl alcohol. Under sunlight, this coating helps break down harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxides into harmless compounds.
The secret behind polygon lies in the natural chemical process called photocatalysis. When the sunlight hits the coating, the titanium dioxide and zinc oxide become activated and release reactive molecules. These molecules react with pollutants like nitrogen oxide and violate organic compounds, converting them into harmless substances like water, carbon dioxide, and nitrates. This reaction repeats continuously as long as light is present, meaning the surface keeps cleaning the air without any power, filters, or maintenance.
To demonstrate, we compared our normal tile with our polygon tile. When we placed incense smoke between them, the coated tile showed faster smoke diffusion and tearing. This is because the photocatalytic surface begins to break down pollutants in the presence of sunlight.
Imagine deploying Polygon in real world environments, school playgrounds, housing societies, bus stops, or city sidewalks. Each square meter of treated surface could help neutralize harmful gases equivalent to absorption capacity of dozens of trees. And it would do so without any electricity or ongoing maintenance. Polygon tiles can be used in many ways, from sidewalks and pavements to rooftops, walls, and school courtyards. Because the technology is built into everyday materials, cities can passively clean the air supply by installing these surfaces. They require no maintenance and continue working for years.
We are already planning the next phase of development. Our future iterations will replace the acrylic binder with sodium silicate water glass for enhanced outdoor durability. We will also conduct large scale pilot tests with school and municipalities to measure real world pollutant reduction. Finally, we aim to work with construction and real estate partners to integrate Polygon into a new building project at scale. This is just the beginning. Polygon can be expanded into tiles, paints, and wall panels, turning everyday surfaces into active pollution fighters. We aim to collaborate with schools, real estate developers, and smart city projects to scale this innovation.
Our vision is to help cities transform to turn pollution sources into pollution solutions. Over time, surfaces treated with polygon could significantly reduce harmful gases, improve public health, and even contribute to meeting climate action goals. Thank you for watching our prototype demonstration. Together we can make world cleaner and healthier, one wall, one tile, one city at a time.